Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install WhatsApp on Windows laptop. So search here, install and open it. Now here search WhatsApp, press enter. So here guys you will see option WhatsApp and another one WhatsApp beta. So it's testing version, so you can try and you can test this testing version for WhatsApp, and this is the official version for WhatsApp. So if you are using WhatsApp on your mobile device, so you can use on your laptop also. Just click here and click on get. So complete this downloading process and log in with your WhatsApp ID and password. So this way you can install WhatsApp on your Windows system. Thanks for watching this video. Useful for you or not? Comment.